Doge is testing a crucial support level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We just hit over 2,000 Telegram members. If you guys are interested in my trade setups as well as all my charts, make sure to check out the link in the bio. It is absolutely free. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, Doge is testing a key support level here at 42 cents. Since yesterday's video, we are still consolidating within the same range, but there's a few things that I wanted to talk about. Number one, looking at Doge from an overall time frame, we are not looking for any sort of long positions unless we break above the 48-cent region. That is going to be our confirmation for those longs because, of course, you can see from previous price analysis, Doge failed to hold above 44, saw a strong bearish engulfing candle breaking below that support level, and then, of course, we ended up coming back upwards and retesting it as resistance. Right now, we are fighting for our exponential moving averages, which, of course, is a no trade zone. You can see from both positions, from long and short, we are seeing liquidations happen both ways, and this is exactly why sideways movement is not something we want to trade. Instead, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on exactly what to look out for on Doge during this week, or, of course, even Asia hours later tonight. What we want to pay attention to, of course, is if Doge does end up losing the 40-cent support level and retesting it as resistance, then we are looking for a bearish setup, of course, because you can see that the 35-cent support level has been tested multiple times, and the more times a support level is tested, the higher chances of it actually breaking. We already played the initial breakout formation, for those of you that remember from Telegram right here. We already played that long perspective as well as on the 44-cent range. So right now, we are not looking for those long positions unless, of course, we end up retesting the wick highs. Then we can start paying attention to those longs. And the reason why is because looking at the daily time frame, this is something that we have to keep in mind. Right now on the daily time frame, we have not tested our 20 exponential moving average pretty much the whole way towards the upside. During this weekend, we actually saw Bitcoin and Ethereum actually go and test those 20 EMAs, but Doge has still been lagging behind, and this is why I'm being extremely cautious as of right now. This does not mean that we are in a bear market. This does not mean that Doge is going to zero. It simply just means the fact that we have to be patient at the current trade structure. And of course, if Doge does end up losing the 40-cent support level, then we have to start paying attention to the more shorting opportunities. But otherwise, we are not looking for any trade setups unless, of course, above 48. Now, I wanted to give you guys an overall perspective on Doge for the long term, because I know a lot of you guys have been asking what happens when Doge does end up breaking above 44 and holding that level as support. And for this, we need to go into our daily structure. Now, looking at previous price analysis, you can see the last time we saw this sort of price movement, we saw multiple rejections of 44, but as soon as we saw that breakout opportunity, we saw a very strong bullish engulfing candle hitting into the highs of 65 cents in one daily candle. This is why I'm putting so much emphasis on the 44-cent region, and this is why I want you guys to pay attention to it as well, is because if Doge does end up seeing that, we are probably going to see an even larger squeeze overall from a daily perspective. And that's why I always tell you guys, previous price analysis is very important. If Doge does end up breaking out from that zone, then we are looking for all-time high, and that's where things obviously become extremely interesting. When we trade all-time high price actions, there pretty much is tons of room for movement, and that's why I always tell you guys to pay attention to previous price, because it will tell you a story. Here on the 4-hour time frame structure, you can see that Doge ended up testing the 44-cent range multiple times, even during the last bull run, and then when we saw the initial break, we then were using the exponential moving averages as support, and that was the confirmation we wanted to see. You can also see the fact that we saw multiple retest opportunities of the EMAs in between that zone, and that's exactly what I'm paying attention to as of right now for Doge. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.